Hey guys, it's Casey. In this video, I will be taking over the vlog. Brandon really got hit by the flu. He rarely gets a fever, but this time his fever is severe. So I'm making it up to him because he always takes care of me. And I decided to cook Brandon's favorite tinolang manok. But I need to go to the market to get the ingredients.
Ikaw may luoy, kailantan ka. Balik na tayo ko, 20 minutes na ko ha?
Mag-up yung mga bago na.
Dili man.
Hindi niya talaga ako pinapayagan lumabas mag-isa. Especially when buying something outside because he is concerned the stuff might be heavy or something bad might happen to me. Living with a partner when you're young isn't always easy, but it helps you figure out how to manage money, share responsibilities, and make decisions together. It's like a hands-on crash course in adulting, teaching you practical skills that will be useful in the long run. Living with someone is a bit like being part of a comedy duo. It's not just about the punchlines, but finding a partner who can improvise through life scenes, turning everyday situations into a shared script filled with laughter and mutual support. But living with Brandon is a piece of cake for me. He just knows how to make everything easy and pleasant, turning potential challenges into effortless moments. He is the type of boyfriend who never puts you in tough situations. He prioritizes your comfort and wants everything to be smooth for you. His goal is to keep you relaxed and stress-free.
Hi guys.
Guys, I'm sick. See you guys on Christmas because Mama Soy and Kobe and Sean are coming here in Cebu for Christmas. We are celebrating here in our home. So, bye-bye.